Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide participants in Google Meet. If you don't want your participants that you've added on your Google Meet to see each other, and you'd like to hide them from one another, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start up by opening up your web browser. In order to do so, in the address box at the top, type in Google.com and enter. You end up in the home page of Google Meet, which looks like this. Started by creating a new meeting by clicking on the New Meeting button in the pop-up that appears. Go ahead and click on Schedule in Google Calendar. In the next pop-up, we know you'll be able to schedule your meeting by filling in your information. Go ahead and fill in your meeting event in the text boxes. And once you are done, go to the right-hand side under Guest. You can go ahead and add guests on your meeting by typing in their name or their email after you select enough participants for your meeting. Right beneath the Guest Permissions option, you'll be able to see 3 boxes appearing. If you'd like to guess that you've added to modify the event, you can check this box. If you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked. Now, in order to hide your participants from one another, go ahead and uncheck the See Guest List box. Once you are done, go ahead and save your meeting by clicking on Save at the top of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a meeting hiding the participants on Google Meets. The guests won't be able to see one another and know how many people have joined into the meeting. That is how you'll be able to hide participants on a Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.